Crash course on Connecticut State, USA. Geographical location. Connecticut is located in the northeastern region of the United States. It is bordered by Massachusetts to the north, Rhode Island to the east, New York to the west, and Long Island Sound to the south. Capital. The capital city of Connecticut is Hartford. Population. Connecticut has a population of approximately 3.6 million people. Economy. Connecticut has a diverse economy with industries such as finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, and technology. The state is home to several major corporations and financial institutions. Education. Connecticut has a strong education system, with prestigious universities and colleges, including Yale University, the University of Connecticut, and Wesleyan University. The state also has excellent public and private schools. Brief history. Connecticut has a rich history dating back to the early colonial period. It played a significant role in the American Revolution and was one of the original 13 colonies. The state was known for its maritime industry and played a vital role in trade and shipping. Cultures. Connecticut's culture is influenced by its colonial history and diverse population. The state celebrates its artistic heritage with numerous museums, theaters, and music venues. Connecticut is also known for its historic coastal towns and picturesque landscapes. Politics. Connecticut has a mixed political landscape, with a history of both Republican and Democratic leadership. The state has a reputation for being socially progressive and has been at the forefront of many social and political movements. Interesting stories. Examples. One interesting story from Connecticut's history is the legend of the Charter Oak. According to folklore, in 1687, colonists hid the Royal Charter of Connecticut in an oak tree to prevent it from being taken by the British authorities. The tree became a symbol of independence and is still celebrated today. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Connecticut. 1. Mystic Seaport Museum. Immerse yourself in the maritime history of New England at this living history museum, which features historic ships, a recreated 19th-century coastal village, and engaging exhibits. 2. Yale University. Visit one of the world's most prestigious universities, located in New Haven. Explore its stunning campus, historic buildings, and world-class museums, including the Yale Peabody Museum of Natural History and the Yale Art Gallery. 3. Mark Twain House. Tour the former home of the famous American writer, Mark Twain, in Hartford. Experience the Victorian-era charm and learn about Twain's life and works. 4. Gillette Castle State Park. Discover the enchanting castle-like mansion built by actor William Gillette in East Haddam. Enjoy scenic views of the Connecticut River and explore the surrounding park. 5. Mystic Aquarium. Get up close and personal with a diverse range of marine life, including beluga whales, penguins, and sharks, at this popular aquarium in Mystic. 6. Wadsworth Atheneum Museum of Art. Visit the oldest public art museum in the United States, located in Hartford. Admire its extensive collection of European and American art spanning centuries. 7. Silver Sands State Park. Relax on the sandy beaches of this state park in Milford, offering picturesque views of Long Island Sound and a boardwalk for leisurely strolls. 8. Essex Steam Train and Riverboat. Embark on a nostalgic journey aboard a vintage steam train and a riverboat, taking in the scenic beauty of the Connecticut River Valley. 9. Foxwoods Resort Casino. Try your luck at one of the largest casinos in the United States, located in Mashantucket. Enjoy gambling, live entertainment, and world-class dining. 10. Mystic Pizza. Indulge in a slice of pop culture history at Mystic Pizza, the restaurant made famous by the 1988 movie of the same name. 11. New England Air Museum. Explore the history of aviation at this museum in Windsor Locks, featuring an extensive collection of aircraft, exhibits, and interactive displays. 12. Florence Griswold Museum. Immerse yourself in American Impressionism at this museum in Old Lyme, which celebrates the art colony that flourished there in the early 20th century. In summary, Connecticut offers a blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and academic excellence. From its historic landmarks and museums to its picturesque coastal towns and educational institutions, the state provides a diverse range of attractions for visitors to enjoy. Poem. In Connecticut's gentle embrace, a land of beauty and historic grace. From Hartford's capital, proud and tall, to mystic seafaring tales, we recall. Through time's passage, a storied state, where legends and history conjugate. The Charter Oak, a symbol of might, defying tyranny with unyielding light. Yale's hallowed halls inspire the mind, where knowledge and brilliance intertwine. Mark Twain's house, a literary treasure, words penned with wit and endless pleasure. Gillette Castle, a majestic sight, where fantasies come to life, day or night. Mystic Aquarium, a marine wonderland, with creatures diverse, enchanting and grand. Wadsworth Athenaeum, art's sacred ground, masterpieces abundant, profound. Silver Sands, where nature meets the shore, whispering waves, tranquility in store. Essex steam train and riverboats embrace, unveiling beauty along the river's grace. Foxwoods Casino, a playground of chance, thrills and excitement, a spirited dance. From Mystic Pizza's famous delight, to the Air Museum's soaring flight, Connecticut beckons, a treasure to explore, its wonders and stories forevermore. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Connecticut, a land so fair, where history and beauty blend in the air. From Hartford's capital, where dreams ignite, to Yale's scholarly halls, shining bright. Chorus. Connecticut, our pride, our home, with stories to tell, where legends are known. From mystic shores to the rolling hills, a state of wonders, where joy fulfills. Verse 2. Mark Twain's house, where tales come alive, with wit and wisdom, his words survive. Gillette Castle, a sight to behold, mysteries and enchantment, stories untold. Chorus. Connecticut, our pride, our home, with stories to tell, where legends are known. From mystic shores to the rolling hills, a state of wonders, where joy fulfills. Bridge. The charm of Wadsworth and Silver Sands, the rhythm of nature, where serenity stands. Steam trains and riverboats, a journey of delight. Foxwoods Casino, a thrill in the night. Chorus. Connecticut, our pride, our home, with stories to tell, where legends are known. From mystic shores to the rolling hills, a state of wonders, where joy fulfills. Outro. Connecticut, a land of rich history and grace, a haven of beauty, a captivating place. Come, explore its treasures, let your spirit soar. Connecticut welcomes you, forevermore. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.